Come here guys, come here. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing wonderful. Hear what? Doesn't matter what obstacle coming your way, just remember there's a God and always pray, keep your faith and don't give up. Come on now. It's very hot. So today we're going to be making some juice.
And she's different, always chefing it up in her kitchen.
Alright, so I have some mangoes here.
And delicious.
Come over here and look. These are some Mexican mangoes, and I have guava and some ginger. So we'll be making guava mango juice today. Isn't that sound delicious and refreshing? Yes guys. Alright, so get your mangoes, get your ginger, get your guava, and let's make some juice together. Alright? Okay guys, so it's time to go ahead and slice the mangoes. And I already washed the mango using one mango, okay, and I'm not going to peel the mango.
And she's different, always chefing it up in her kitchen. Don't forget Carla's Kitchen CC, clean and everything neat and delicious in a Carla's Kitchen. Carla's Kitchen, remember to subscribe.
I slice the mangoes like this.
Yeah man, click the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And support the thing, share, can comment to the thing. Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. She's creative, unique, skillful, and she's different. Always chefing it up in her kitchen.
Okay,
don't
guys,
forget Carla's Kitchen CC, clean and everything neat.
Into this bowl right here. So I'm going to clean my hands, well my gloves rather, and then come back and cut the guava. I already washed these guava, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut them. I'm going to cut them in 4 pieces. Like that. Now I'm going to be scraping the ginger. I already washed it, so I'm going to be using a spoon to scrape the ginger like this. It comes off better with a spoon. Here you go guys, so now I'm going to wash them off and slice them up. Now it's time to start blending, okay? I have everything prepared here, so we're going to go ahead and add these stuff to the blender. Alright, so here's the mango, and I'm going in with the mango. Here I'm adding 7 cups of water to the blender. Closing the blender, turning the blender on. Now I'm going to blend. Finish blending, so I turned the blender off. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to strain this out so I could blend the rest of fruits. Now I'm straining the juice into my juice bottle. Okay. So these are the seeds from the guava and the pulp from the mango and the guava as well. Okay guys, So for the juice, I will be using honey as my sweetener. You can go ahead and use your sugar if you like. It's perfectly fine. Alright, but I'm using honey. Alright, so let's go over here and sweeten this juice. Look at it, guys. Right? So that is 2 spoons. So I'm going to sweeten it and then taste it and tell you if I needed to add any more honey. I need to add more honey. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add 2 more spoons of honey. Now it's perfect. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to pack this jug with ice so I could cool the juice. Here you have the guava mango juice. Alright, very healthy and refreshing juice. So I'm going to put some ice in my glass here and I'm going to have a drink. And I'm going to tell you how this refreshing juice is, okay? I'm going to taste this refreshing. It smells so good, guys. Try this out. Very simple and easy juice to make, okay? And it's summertime now, it's super hot and this will cool you down very well on a hot summer day. It will keep you hydrated. All right. Wow. Guys, it is not sweet, it is not fresh, it is just right. Very healthy, kids friendly. Make it for your kids. Put it in a bottle like this, pack it with ice, put it on the countertop, leave it there for them to go and drink. Or you can make it and put it in the little popsicle bags and freeze them for the kids. That is a great idea. Yes, guys, for those who have kids, do this. Super delicious, very refreshing. I can taste everything in this juice. Mango, ginger, guava. Try it. Hello, did you thumbs up the video as yet? If not, then what are you waiting on? Thumbs this video up, share it out with your friends and family. And if it's your first time here on this channel, please subscribe to the channel, touch the notification bell. It will alert you every time when I post a new video. To all my supporters, I thank you guys so much for supporting Carla's Kitchen CC. I appreciate you all. Love you guys. Thanks a lot for your support. Remember to drop some comment underneath this video. Alright, be kind to yourselves. Walk good, be good, do good, and good. Always follow me. Put God first, of course, in
and turn on the
everything
post
that you're
notification bell,
and
so you'll be notified whenever she upload a new
catch
video.
you in another
And
video.
support the
Take
thing.
care of
Share.
yourselves. Love you
Carla's
guys.
Kitchen CC.
Bye.
You hear that? What me say? Run go subscribe to Carla's Kitchen CC. Yeah.